Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can register Oyster card online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your browser, search in Transport for London, and then go to the section of More. And here in the quick links section you will find option of Contactless and Oyster Account. Go ahead, tap on it. Now as soon as you've done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like, and it will show you the information regarding it. At the bottom you will have option of creating account, an option of like most of the ask questions and the services provided. Now from over here, as simple as it looks, you simply gotta go ahead, tap on sign in and get signed in. Right after we are signed in, this is how your account is going to look like, your Oyster account. Right over here, you will find this option of add an existing Oyster card right away. Now go ahead, tap on it. And then you will find this section of my Oyster card. Now go ahead, add in the legitimate information of all that you have of your card correctly. And once you're done registering it here in the my Oyster card section, you will find your card being listed right over here, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.